This is Pritika from 4th MSc CS. My seminar topic is about eBall technology. Now we will discuss about introduction of eBall, history, evaluation, science, elements, features, working of eBall, applications, advantage and disadvantage. Introduction. The eBall concept is a sphere-shaped computer which is the smallest design among all laptops and desktops. eBall is designed that PC is be placed on two stands, opens by pressing and holding the two buttons located on each side of eBall. When you will open, you will find the complete set which includes display screen, virtual keyboard and mouse. History of eBall. Designer Abstel Timokovsky has replaced the good old PC from the shackles of monotonous squares and rectangular shape with this newly designed wonder in a spherical shape. According to Abstel, it is the best shape in nature and it draws everyone's attention. It is definitely small when it comes to the size, but as they say, all good things come in small packages. The skinny round PC is no exception. It is loaded with all features that you can only dream of to have rectangular PC. Evolution. In 1960s, the integrated circuit-based third generation computer invented, and in 1970, the microprocessor-based fourth generation computer invented, and now artificial intelligence-based system are invented. Size of eBall. eBall is very small. It's having only 6-inch diameter sphere. It is having 120 by 120 mm motherboard, 160 mm round sphere. It has aluminum and plastic body. Elements of eBall. This have three views: front view, side view and back view. From the front view we can see LCD projector, two stands for eBall, and from the side view we can see a speaker here, and the back view we can see the paper holder. Features of eBall. It contains wireless optical mouse and laser keyboard and LCD projector. It has around gigabyte of hard disk. It contains 5 GB RAM. It has LAN and WAN card and webcam. It has two 50-watt speakers and it has virtual keyboard, dual-core processor, integrated graphics and sound card, and it has LCD projector paper holder. Working of eBall. First, to operate the eBall, we need to press the button so that stand is open and settled. It does not have a physical monitor, whether it has a projector that can be used as a screen if used against a wall. In case there is an absence of wall, a sheet of paper can be used instead. On pressing another button, a paper holder comes out and which a sheet paper can be used, and eBall can also used in outdoor conditions. From the figure we can see how they inserted the paper in a paper holder. It has a virtual laser keyboard. It is projected on a flat surface. It understands the fingers with the help of infrared sensors. The keyboard has mouse can be used to give input to the eBall, whereas the holographic display and speakers would give output. Applications of eBall technology. In office work, we can make presentations, Word and other office-related documents. While watching movies, the holographic display that can be used for watching movies at the comfort of homes or any place that has flat surface for the creation of monitor creation. In video conferencing, the webcam is perfect use for office meetings and conferences. For listening songs, the speakers are bliss for listening to the songs. In presentation, can also be using the display system. Advantages. Portable due to its small size. It is fast due to a dual-core processor. Large memory, hence can store a lot of data. It reduces e-waste by using virtual keyboard and monitor, requires less space, it is lightweight. Organizers would need to lot less security to protect against theft as all this can be stored in one small secure place. Disadvantages: it works only with the Windows operating system and no other OS. It has a very high cost because it uses high-end technology. Any hardware problem is difficult to handle and recover from. It would need new skilled people for its repair, which would also be expensive. Conclusion: as the year passes, the computer size becoming smaller. Today's technology is at its peak point beyond what we could ever imagine. Our imaginations have dressed into reality, and today it has become possible to have a whole computer in our pocket all the time. At last, the e-ball technology has taken the computer technology to new horizons. Thank you.